It's been over a year since I've made a video on this channel, and I honestly wasn't sure if I was ever going to again. And one or two of you might be like, wait, I see you like 5 days a week. You're not wrong. I've still been posting videos 5 days a week on another channel, but not this one. This is my original YouTube channel, and I worked extremely hard to build it to what it is today. But about a year ago, I started posting short form content to another channel. It did extremely well, and I've just been kind of hanging out there for the last year. One of my chickens just laid an egg, and she needs to tell the entire world about it, so just bear with me here. Hey lady. You need to pipe down over here, I'm trying to make a video. Starting today, I'm only gonna post short form content to my other channel, and I'm gonna start posting long form content to this channel. With that being said, I do have a handful of videos that I've made over the last year that I've posted over there that are long form videos. So I'm gonna take those videos and slowly start moving them here and deleting them off of that channel. So if you see a whole bunch of new videos, they're not new. They've been filmed over the last year-ish. Here's a quick couple of reasons on why I'm doing this. Number one is shorts are a different beast. They have a different audience, a different algorithm. And if I look at my analytics on my other channel, 0% of my audience watches my long form videos. They're all just watching the short form videos because that's the audience that I've built over there. On this channel, I've built a long form audience, if you guys are still with me here. I'm gonna find out. And YouTube tries to bring audiences in for both different types of content that live on the same channel, but it doesn't really work. I can get millions of views on short form videos, and on my long form, I can get 10 views or 100 views. Just there's not the audience there. Number two is my content and my brain have two completely different worlds. I have my world where I enjoy making the bite-sized, short form, chaotic videos that I make, and I love doing that. They're so much fun. But the other side of me, the other part of my brain, wants to really just dive deep and nerd out and make long-winded, long-form videos because I love it and I miss doing it. And I feel like both types of those videos need room to breathe, so I'm gonna give them two different channels to do that. Number three is short form content is fun. I love making it, but it's really surface level. You can't build community with short form content. I think I've done a decent job of it over there, but I can't do it like I can do here. I wanna build depth instead of just this surface level video style that I've been doing the last year. If I had to point to one thing that I miss about this channel and making long form video, it's that. Is this channel wasn't so surface level like my other channel is. Number four is my videos on my new channel have been primarily about freeze drying. Don't get me wrong, I love making videos about freeze drying. The last year making these videos, and still today, I have a blast making those videos. They're fun. But one of the biggest things I miss about content creation in general and teaching people about what I do on a daily basis is I haven't been able to talk about everything else that I do. Like the garden that we just planted. We just got our garden in for the season. Or the chickens because we just filled our coop with a whole bunch of new chicks. Or about homesteading when you don't have a lot of property. We have less than an acre. We have 0.6 acres, but we do a lot with the little bit that we do have. And I really want to get back to talking about all the different things that we do and not just freeze drying. And that's one thing that I really want to focus on here. A lot of the first long form videos that you see from me are going to be freeze drying videos. I'm pulling them from my other channel and moving them over here. But I'm going to be making a lot of videos about all the other stuff that we talked about, and I'm really excited to get going on that. But if you want long and short form content, then just hit the subscribe button on both channels.